Here are the top 3 productivity hacks to boost creativity and help you ideate more effectively. 1. Mind mapping. How it works. Start with a central concept and branch out ideas in a visual map, connecting thoughts and exploring different angles. The 10-minute brainstorming sprint. How it works. Set a timer for 10 minutes and write down every idea that comes to mind, no matter how wild or impractical. The key is to focus on quantity over quality. 3. SCAMPER technique for creative thinking. How it works. SCAMPER is an acronym for substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to another use, eliminate, and reverse. Use these prompts to challenge existing ideas and create new ones. Why it helps. SCAMPER encourages thinking outside the box by forcing you to look at ideas through different lenses, sparking creativity from all angles.